Quezon Pro.
Aldrich Ramos.
Garcia ako. Polsanga. Polsanga is the best. Oy, Garcia ako.
Bakit?
Magaling tumira. Magaling mag-shoot.
Galing na sentro.
Sa akin, magaling mag-shoot.
My favorite player is Ryan Bualafe kasi lagi siyang maaasahan.
Terence. Kasi parang siya yung secret weapon eh.
Hi, my favorite player is Ryan Bualafe. Why? Because understated siya, pero magaling siya. Lala. At medyo hindi siya mayabang.
Ngayon, siguro si RR Garcia kasi syempre parang halos lahat ng laro niya, matatas yung scores niya. Tapos talagang binibigay niya yung best niya sa lahat.
Our favorite players are Kirk Long and Evan Montfort for their energy during the game.
And they're wicked threes, man!
Si RR.
Bakit?
Kasi siya rin yung halos na gumagawa dun sa
My favorite player is Ryan Bualafe because he doesn't need to score to be an effective player for Team Ateneo.
Number 14, Nuten. Bakit? Kasi gwapo. Kasi gwapo siya. Tsaka ang galing niya Ayun, mas lalo siyang gumagawa pag
My favorite finals player is Evan Montfort because he proves that he's small and he's also terrible in the basketball court.